Hi there. So today what I'm going to be doing is a review of rubber gloves. I go through a phenomenal amount of rubber gloves whilst I'm working in the garage. It's the disposable latex ones that you get. Mechanics use them, cleaners use them, people working in garages use them, anybody can use them. They come in all different sizes and all different makes, with powders, without powders, nitrile, not nitrile, latex. I tend to just go for ones that will go on easy, come off easy and won't break very easily. I have recently bought stuff off the internet that said that they'll last for ages and they don't. So I've opted just to go to B&Q and buy them off the shelf there. I bought these today, disposable gloves. I've just realised I've bought the wrong size. I had originally bought extra large, and I found that they were quite big on my hand. I've got a large hand. I don't buy large for my hand. I've bought my extra large gloves, but with these I thought extra large would be fine. I've now brought them home, and stupidly I've just realised that the one I had in my hand when I was looking at them wasn't the one I picked up and walked away with. So I've now got another box of extra large 100 gloves inside, but we'll still review them anyway. What a dick. Right, so these cost me just over £5, and when you open it up there's a piece of paper that sits on top, and from the previous box and this box, when you try to take it out it just shreds for some reason. You have your glove. It doesn't matter which one you have on, they're not left or right, they're just a glove that you can put on. They go on quite easily. There's a good fair amount of stretch in them. However, as an extra large hand with an extra large glove, I would say that's just too big. I do know from experience that when I start working with liquids, like cleaning fluids, household fluids, bleaches, bath scrubs, all that sort of stuff, oils, they stretch and I'm constantly pulling them back up my hand. Doing this with a finger, there's plenty of room in that finger already, look. And whoever has a hand this size is a big guy. I'm 6 foot, I've got a large hand, but these are big, which was why I wanted to buy a large size glove rather than an extra large size glove. However, we'll need to work away with these for a couple of months and then go and buy another one. But they're not bad. They are no more or no less stronger than any of the numerous kinds of gloves I've bought before. I now don't believe any of these adverts that say they're the super strong type. If you're buying these thin ones, they break all the same. You catch it on a nail, you catch it on a splinter, it'll shred it. But what we're looking for though is protection of the hands from chemicals. You wear these, you'll be alright. If you don't wear them, you'll get things like dermatitis, which is a horrible disease to have. I have several friends that have had it, and it's not nice. So, B&Q, just over £5, it was £5.24 I said, or £5.54, for 100 gloves in the box. Buy a pair. I wouldn't waste your time searching the internet for the strongest pair. They virtually work out all the same for me. However, if you have found a pair that are similar to these, that are cheap enough, I'm not going to buy expensive gloves because you go through these at a phenomenal rate. If you find a pair that are really strong, they're good fitting to your hand, they don't stretch, they last a long time, then let me know. Drop me a link, drop me a message, and tell me about it, and hopefully others will learn as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. But if you do not like it, please tell me why. It explains it better, and we can all learn from negative feedback. I don't intend to become a big YouTuber, so I'm not pushing for you to join my channel. If you feel the need to add to my channel, which is very, very low in numbers, then please feel free. Other than that, have a nice day and take care.